This is a brand new 15 horsepower gasoline powered mini excavator. It's pretty awesome. Like, I can't wait to use it. But before we can do that, I need to install the canopy on the thing. But none of the bolt holes line up. No bueno. So, I loosen up all the bolts and try to get the place to fit in. And it takes quite a bit of work. As you can see, I'm like loosening up bolts on all the fixtures, trying to bend it just enough to get the bolts in and everything going on. But I managed to get it there on the right side, and it did take a little bit of work. And then I go on to the other side. But I was done just pulling on the thing, trying to get it to work. So I got a high lift and just forced it to move. It had no choice. It was pretty awesome. I'm really happy I did that. But the problem was it still didn't align. Now it was left to right. So it took me getting my leg up on it, and I finally got it. But after that was installed, it was time to install the stinking canopy, but it was all bent up. Darn shipping and handling. So I got out the old hammer and got to work. Now that it's all put together, we can finally run the darn thing. Whenever it gets here, we might be able to use it. Any day now. Finally, oh my gosh, that took forever. This thing is slow. Not built for speed. Now this thing does pretty good at tearing into the ground. It's not as good as one of the big excavators, but for its size, I think it does really well. It just, this is rocky, clayey stuff, and it's a bunch of trees that we have growing. It's actually date trees. We have a big date tree, and whenever all those small dates fall on the ground, a bunch of these grow, and they grow like weeds, and we can't get rid of them fast. Pretty much every year, they grow about 3 or 4 feet in like a tiny growth. It's pretty crazy. And now I'm trying to see how deep down I can go. I'm not skilled at all in doing this, so who's actually skilled can probably do it like twice or 3 times as fast as me. But I'm kind of just learning all the controls, how to smoothly operate it. I'm very jittery right now, but we'll get there eventually. I also really want to make my own attachments for it. On the top of the excavator arm, the boom, maybe, I don't really know the correct terminology, but there's 2 more hydraulic hoses, so we can add on another actuator or something. I think that's going to be really cool. But yeah, I've managed to get it down to about 3, maybe 4 feet. I think I can get down to a depth of like 5 feet if I tried really hard, but it did pretty well. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this.